Rain.
I'm so
Let me sell my plants. Parang to ano? Grow garden. Rene, ano to? Ano to event? Ano to event? Ano to event?
toasty. Toasty and
Pwede hindi sa video na kukuha na 100 likes. I mean, 100 views. Ano minutes mamain tayo?
makanin.
9 minutes na.
Big best.
Bye-bye pamilya. Saan ba yung mga pamilya? Oh, yes, boss.
Ang bilis na ano ka man yung human best. Human best.
Ay, suman boss. Kasi, suman boss. Oh, shit. Sorry.
Kapalaga dyan, kapalaga.
Ay, for you, guys. Ay, shit. Galing.
Wala no.
Hi.
Big best mo ulit.
Bye-bye.
Tsaka mag-suman best ka ulit.
Suman boss naman.
Ay, level 3. Sa akin, level ano na ako.
Okay. Ready.
Level
Ready. Maybe the viewers want to see your garden. Let's go to your garden.
I will show you there.
I will teach. This quality is so bad.
This is my garden.
Yes, guys, he's a pro.
I have ano limit. I have
And this is his
limited.
boss he defeated. This is his boss that he defeated, guys.
I have a limited capybara.
Yeah. And this is his boss he defeated.
Ito po yung ano po. Ito yung limited.
Yeah, he showed me.
Yes.
Ayan o, ayan yung ano. Oy, nag-video naman kami, ano turog si ano. Tingnan mo. Ego. Ego, ba't ito Mamaya na tayo magulo. Tapos sa naman dito ay gusto mo ano yung level ko? Ano yung level ko?
Yun na, naglalaban ako boss.
Wait, wala ko yun. Mga playtime ko. Ano yung mga press ko? Mystery egg. Punta tayo sa base later. Patikin natin. Wow. Okay, go plant it. Go hatch it. Go hatch it. 1 minute na naman eh. Let's just wait for it. Guys, did you know we can climb up the tree? We can climb up my tree. Saturday. Dito tayo sa taas na ano ko. Parkour lang kami.
Oh, yun.
Speed this part up. Ano tawag natin yung viewers? Tawag natin sa mga viewers. Hi, Capybaras. Okay. ayusin mo. Simulan. Yeah, guys. This username. Okay, let's go. Hatchet. Okay. He's Mr. Egg. It's Mr. Miguel. Oh, baby. Diaper. Diaper ni Liam. Tak tak. Mwah. His favorite capybara is. Daddy's favorite capybara is.
Si Jester Capybara.
Sa akin, Ghost Capybara, Magic Capybara, Capybara lang, tapos Golem. Ang cute nila eh. Siguro lahat favorite. Giggle. Say, this is my username. This is my username, guys. And this is my cousin's username. Okay. Siyempre, Clockard, ano yan? Messi family. What was your first capybara? What was your first favorite capybara?
This Capybara.
Lahat favorite niya, guys. Tingnan natin kung pwede tayo maakit dito. Ito. Kita to card. Ang ano din eh. Ito oh. Ay, sasayaw oh sa gabi. Sasayaw sa gabi.
Hindi to. Dito malagay ko sa lang.
Dito ka. Dito golam. Dito. Wait lang. The game name is Capybara vs. Plants. Tawa-tawa na ito. Yay!